Oh, right, another one. It's Christmas, isn't it? I'm going to have loads of stuff. I'm going to have enough stuff. Right, so this is, I can't remember where it's from. I don't know if the website's got a link I can put in the descriptions, but I will try to. So this is a DJI Spark bag, and the cat's getting up on her little thing. They need to give them some food in a minute. That I got from Amazon, half the price of what it was, not Amazon, from this shop, half the price it was from Amazon. So I love this bag. This bag is the best bag they've done for any of their drones, because you don't have to just use it for a drone. It's a really nice size. It's not overly big. It's just bloody brilliant. I don't remember a zip on it last time though. I thought it had a little flap down, but maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, no, that's right. So plenty of room in there, and you can divide it to how you want it. So this can be used for anything. And what I'm going to be using this for is the God, what I'm using now, the Osmo Pocket 3, because it's perfect. You've even got a zip in the front here to put whatever in. So that's absolutely fantastic, and I'll be using that later. Probably going to go for a walk along the beach today. It's a nice little thing to do on Christmas because I live near a beach. Can I open that? Oh, look at that bloody thing stuck on there now. Oh, there we go. That's quite easy. So yeah, bloody lovely bag. Look at that. Shoulder bag. Good little camera bag. If you've got a small camera, this isn't going to fit many of my cameras, but it's not for that. It's only for the Osmo Pocket. So let's see if we can adjust this how I would have it. Am I going the right way? Yeah, I think so. Probably a bit more. Fully adjustable. There we go. Is that going to be right? Probably a little bit more. They should make more bags like this, because this is like an awesome bag. And it was only $9.99. There we go. That's how I'd have it. I think maybe a little bit lower, but that's pretty good. No, that's about right. Get right in there. Perfect bag. Perfect bag. Yeah. Got the DJI. Got the little DJI breakdown of the Spark there. Awesome little machine as well. That's the only drone that I miss. I had a Mavic and a Phantom 4 Pro. The Phantom 4 Pro was just a bit of a pain to fly, and the Mavic cost so much, I always worried that it was going to fly away, and the Spark wasn't really that much money. They should start bringing back drones like that are affordable, but the way that drones are going these days, I don't think they're going to be around for much longer. Anyway, have a Merry Christmas. Thank you very much for watching. Try the button again.